Welcome members to another tutorial. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and keep watching. This is ITAU, the place for ICT basically. This time we are going to be dealing with pictures in Microsoft Word. Remember, we are still under Microsoft Word and we are under the basics of Microsoft Word. So my friend, sit back, relax, and learn. So we are going to be dealing with pictures. At times papers come and they tell you to insert pictures into your document. Insert photos. These ones are different from shapes, and they are different from clip arts. Okay, so we are going to be learning how to insert different pictures in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let us start with a new document. For example, let me say new document. So you have to insert your pictures. Now you have to come under insert. This time, remember, we started with the home tab. Now we are under insert. Click on pictures. Now this is what you have to know. You have to know, one, where your picture is saved or where your picture is located. Your location for the picture. Either is it on your drives, is it on an external drive like a flash disk, or any other drive. After knowing, go to that location, click on the picture you want, then you say insert. Wow, so this is what I have inserted as my picture. After inserting it, you can edit it, change the appearance, and do anything. So let us start with the first tab of adjusting. You can adjust the light like that. It depends on what light you want. You can change color. Are you seeing? I have changed my color back. So you can play around with the colors and change to any color that you wish to use. Let me take it back to the normal color. So there are different colors that you can select. Different presets. You can even select the color you want manually by saying more variations, then you select the color you want. Green. Should I say red? Wow, red is good. It looks better. Okay, so that is color. Then you can, we also have artistic effects, but I don't want to use those. We have blur. There are many. It depends on how you want to design your picture. Then we have what they call the picture styles. Picture styles can include frames, they can include a 3-dimension, they can include perspective, and so on. So let me try by going through each. There is that. Looks better, but my word is vague. I can change to that. There's that. I can also change to this. Are you seeing? Then I can also change to this. There are many depending on what you want to use. So this time around, let me try to use that. Are you seeing this fading? So the picture looks nice. Depending on what you want. From there you can also include a border. We have already put a border. You can even change the border color as you want, like that. You can even change more picture effects. We have reflection. Where do you want your reflection to go? Are you seeing that? So this is reflection. Are you seeing? Depending on what you want. Then we have picture layout. We shall look at that one later. Let us not look at it now. From there we have position and wrap. So wrap works when you have some text. So let me assume I have some text here. Let me paste some text. Let me add some more text there. Enter. Add some text. Enter. And add some text. Yeah, I assume that's my text. I think whenever I'm typing, my word is either going up or down. So let us try to format the position. Position will automatically lock it to another position. Are you seeing? Position left, position center. It puts your word in the center. Position left. So if I have more words here, it will be there. I have other positions depending on what you want. Okay, so let me try to just add some text. Control V, V, V. So are you seeing? Let me try to change the size to 10, like that. Let me again just copy this and I do paste it here still. Paste. So are you seeing? Now it's on the left. Let me make it smaller. So are you seeing? This is the position I want it to be. I can select it to be at the top. Have you seen? Good for people who are writing magazines, newsletters, and so on. So this one has a fixed position. Then I can also wrap my picture to what I want. Now this is wrap. I can make it to be in square with my words. Is it okay? I can make it to be tight. Depends on what you have been told. Okay, let me try to justify this whole text. Home, justify, so that it can reach the margins. You see? So this is that. I can still change the wrap top. That means my image will be in the middle and all other words will be at the top and the bottom, anywhere I put it. Then I also have behind text. Don't at times use behind text, because when you put your picture behind text, re-editing it might be a problem. So I'll say in front of text. I see. So it is in front of text. It's covering the other text. So if you are designing, I would prefer you to use either square or in tight, because you can type your things here, then you put your picture there like that. Have you seen? I can add another picture. Let me say insert picture. Let me still insert that type of picture, make it smaller. Then I say wrap it, put it tight. I come here. This time I'm going to put it here, put a border around it. Oh, the border is too thick. Border is too thick. Let me try to change the border size to something like this. Wow. Oh, let me use this one. Add some effect before. Like that. Have you seen? So that's what they call dealing with photos or pictures in Microsoft Word. Okay. Then lastly, oh, not the last, we have rotate. Rotate is used to rotate the picture. You see, flip horizontally, flip vertically, rotate 90 degrees, rotate this. You can have more options according to what you want. Okay, and then we have cropping. Cropping is reducing on the size of the picture. I can crop my picture to that extent. Have you seen? I've only cropped to 11. Have we together? So that is called cropping your picture. So we also have what they call aspect ratio. You might be told to change the aspect ratio of a particular picture. Just click this arrow pointing down, say aspect ratio, select the aspect ratio that you are told. For example, that. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned. Keep learning, and I love you all.